capable man creative. Adhere to the strength of warrior. We stand in the world within the wheel of steel. Yunnan Mengshi Automobile Sales Limited Company, located in Kunming City, Yunnan Province, China. A subsidiary of Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicle Limited Company. Relying on Dongfeng Motor Group's automobile history of more than 50 years, we have professional off-road vehicle technical design and rich experience in vehicle expertise. We focus on designing and developing off-road special vehicle chassis, off-road transport vehicles, desert sightseeing vehicles, recreational vehicles, armored protective vehicles, and customized vehicles. Our company cultivates and develops knowledgeable, skilled, innovative workforce. Now our company have more than 20 national vehicle design partners. Yunnan Mengshi Automobile Sales Limited Company, driving truck makers to explore and transcend, continuously innovate and break through the quality standards of off-road trucks.